Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how I got this beautiful trending gele. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. I love you all so much. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial, guys. So to start, I'll place my hair on her head and start forming my plate, laying it one after the other. And tell my model to help me hold on part while I try to form plates at the other side. Then I cross the two sides together. I divided the ashoke into the ratio 70. So now the 30% of the ashoke, I will bring everything out, then twist it to the end. So I'm twisting it to the end. Then I place it directly on top of where the last place stopped. So I tell my model to help me hold that while I take this 70% of the ashoke and start forming more plates and slanting it, like in a way I'm doing a fan at the other side. So this is just basically the way the tie goes. So I'm just forming more plates. I'll tell my model to just assist me to hold one part. I continue making sure the plates do not overlap one another. I'm just trying to actually arrange the plates over here. So now that I've done that, the small aspect that is remaining from the twisted plate, I will use to form a bow in front and use pins to secure it down so the bow doesn't scatter. So I'm just trying to secure it before I continue placing the other part. I'm trying to secure it. I'll just tell my model to just hold that part while I form all the plates at the other side so it can be more easier for me. Then later on I pin the bow down. So this is just the process. Hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Please give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you've not seen my previous tutorials, go and watch them. They might be helpful and useful to you. This is just basically how it goes. So when I get to the end, I'll twist the end and use a pin to secure it down. So I didn't tie this attire at all. It wasn't tied at the back. I just used pins to secure it. Arranged all my plates, then pinned down the bow down, because before it didn't really stay put. So now I'm trying to make sure it's well secured so it doesn't fall off. So this is just how this attire is. Please give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Can I come back a little bit?